I will recover deleted WhatsApp business message. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you recover deleted WhatsApp business message. Now, what you need is here, first thing first, if you want to recover deleted WhatsApp business message, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and launch open WhatsApp on your device or business account. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and enter in your previous used number. Once you've done that, you could simply go ahead and enter in the credentials and select verify backup if you have it so. Then it should be able to help you recover deleted WhatsApp business message as well. Or what you could do is just go to the next. So here you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the three dot at the very top, or just go to the chats icon and then go to settings from the list. And here you have these chats and make sure that your chat backup is toggled on or just backup. This should also definitely help you out. You could also uninstall the WhatsApp business app from your phone and then reinstall from the Google Play Store and App Store and verify a number. When prompted during a setup, you could simply go to restore to retrieve your chat history from the cloud. So this way you'll be able to recover deleted WhatsApp business message. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.